Hi everyone, John McNeilis, Sales and Marketing Manager here at DG Technologies World Headquarters in Farmington Hills, Michigan. I'm about to introduce you to our brand new product line. Through the truck-connect.com portal, we'll go through the DPA Health software application and our all-new DPA mobile diagnostics application. First, we'll go to dgtech.com. Once at our website, under Services, you'll find access to the Truck Connect portal. Once there, you'll be able to hit the Get Started button and sign up. There's no cost to do this. You'll just get more access and more information to all the services available through DG Technologies Truck Connect. Now I'll log in. It'll bring you to the My Services screen. Here, you'll be able to download the DPA Health Electrical System Health Monitoring software application. It's a cloud-based application that takes the place of your recommended practices to do maintenance on the battery, starter, and alternator systems on your truck fleets. A 40-minute job is only going to take 3 or 4 minutes with the DPA Health application. You'll also see a direct link to the Google Play Store where you can download the DPA Mobile Diagnostics app. And please call us at area code 248-888-2000. Ask for sales, and here's the pro tip. We'll let you know how to get this application for free for all your technician users. We'll be using our brand new DPA XL diagnostic interface adapter for this demonstration. Keep in mind, this tool was designed through our CyberTech brand team, enabling cybersecurity protection through CyberGuard inside. Now that we've logged into the Truck Connect portal, you can download the DPA Health application and it'll put a desktop icon on your laptop. Once you do that, simply double click. It'll open up the DPA Health application and you'll be ready to log in with the username and password that gets emailed to you from DG Technologies. Now, we're ready to start the test in any truck that you have in your fleet. You'll need a DPA XL. You're already logged in. You have the DPA Health application, and we can get started. Now that we have the application downloaded, ready to go, take your brand new DPA XL, connect it to the diagnostic connector in the truck, take the other end of the USB cord, and plug it into your laptop. And we'll be ready to get started. Now that we've downloaded the DPA Health application, we've got a truck-connect.com portal account. We can go ahead and double click, as I said, the DPA Health icon on your desktop and start the application. It's simple. But first, you'll want to download the manual. Safety first, read the book, and we'll get started. You can do that from the dgtech.com website or the truck-connect.com portal. Once you've read that, the first thing you'll find out is that there are some minimum requirements to run this. Number one, it should be above 50 degrees Fahrenheit outside while you're running this test. Number two, you should have a minimum battery voltage of around 12 volts. Let's get started. So when you bring up the DPA Health application, you'll see it says disconnect the trailer connector or any other switches or connections outside of the cab. Turn off all the switches, including the fans and accessories and dome lights and lights, and ensure the key is off. Once we've done that, let's get started. Press begin, and it'll take you through step by step of what we need to do to test this vehicle's electrical system, including the battery packs, the alternator, and the starter. Turn key on, engine off. Press OK. You'll certainly want to add in the information in the fields provided. The company name, the vehicle number. Sometimes companies would use the VIN, bumper numbers, vehicle number. It's an identification for the reporting that gets computed in the cloud. Number of batteries, we'll want to select, in this case, 3. Auxiliary batteries, no. Battery CCA rating, you'll need to know that. On this vehicle, they're 750. Let's say I don't know about the starter and the alternator. Once the fields are filled in, just go ahead and continue. Right now it's extracting data. Keep in mind, all of our Truck Connect products were developed by the Cybertech brand team. So data is protected and encrypted. So while we're extracting data, and once it gets transmitted to the cloud, all your data will be yours and encrypted. We'll hit continue. Turn on accessories, the next step. Hit continue. Start the engine. After we ensure the accessories are off. Rev engine to above 1,000 RPM. Hit continue. Turn on all your accessory switches. continue. Turn off your switches. Return engine to idle and hit continue. We've collected all the data we need. It's captured and encrypted the data on the laptop. It's looking for an internet connection so we can upload that data to the cloud. It'll go through our proprietary algorithm, calculate it out, and create a report on the state of health, state of charge of your battery packs, your alternator, and your starter. It's as simple as that. You don't have to take the time to go access the batteries or worry about that. One nice thing about the application is you also get an idea of the continuity of the battery cables and the cables from the alternator, starter, charger to the battery pack as well. So there's a lot of calculating going on up in the cloud, and I think you'll be happy with the results. Hit OK, and we're ready to go. Thank you for watching our videos. We're always excited to bring you information on our new products and services, give you a more in-depth look when we're actually working on a truck or a car here in Farmington Hills at the DG Technologies World Headquarters. What I want to say is, remember, when you watch these videos, you can go find out more information by looking at our website, www.dgtech.com. Follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and of course YouTube. So if you got something out of this and you like DG Technologies, subscribe on our YouTube channel. Give us a like on this video. Thanks a lot. And don't forget to go to the Google Play Store and download the DPA Mobile Diagnostics app for your Android phones.